Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve a problem about resistance. So the problem is, the substation bus bar is made up of 2 inches round copper bars, 20 feet long. What is the resistance of each bar? If resistivity is 1.7246 times 10 raised to negative 6 ohm centimeter. So we have a diagram here. The length of the bus bar is 20 feet long. Its diameter is 2 inches and resistivity is 1.7246 times 10 raised to negative 6 ohm centimeter. So the formula for the resistance R is equal to PLA. So maybe you're asking, there's no area given in the problem. So we can actually get the area using the given diameter, which is 2 inches, and by using that we can use the formula for a circle, which is pi over 4 d square. So let's plug in the given values here. So the resistivity is 1.7246 times 10 raised to negative 6 ohm centimeter multiplied by the length, which is 20 feet. Then we're going to convert feet into centimeters. Divided by the area, which is pi over 4, and the diameter is 2 inches. Squared. So if we plug this in a calculator, we'll get an answer, which is 5.19 times 10 raised to negative 5 ohm. So that's the resistance for the substation bus bar. Hope you learned something today, guys. See you again in the next video.